You can keep on recording, of course, because there's so many combinations, but just one to have some fun. Linux Zen and Gnome, that's basically what I've put online. It's not, of course, on the ISO, not build anything. No AA ISO, that's on the GitHub. So you log in, you go to not log in, but change keys, and then Alice in Wonderland dev ls. You start it first. Everything is now synced, and yes, off it goes. Installing Gnome, installing Zen on ext4, and that's our decision. And then we just wait till everything ends. I'll just keep recording just for the fun. All the things I've been doing, LXDM, Plasma, XFCE, Cinnamon, it's all around 4 minutes. 4 minutes time, can you imagine it? In 4 minutes time, you have an operating system and a desktop environment. All the rest still needs to be installed. Editors, browsers. So many things are missing, obviously, but so much is already there. And 4 minutes, that's nothing. Here we have the Linux headers. Yep, here they are. The Linux Zen headers. Cost us 280 megabytes. I was just thinking, I'm looking at simple screen recorder, total time 2 minutes, so another 2 minutes and it's installed. Gnome is of course quite a few packages, but still, so is Plasma. Three minutes. Meld nano and rsync. Come in, yay bin. Yeah. Done. 3 minutes 55 seconds. What did I tell you? Let's wait for the menu. Existing OS. Zen is present and accounted for. Gnome is there too, and you know, Xorg, otherwise it's gonna be Wayland. And there you have it. The design, right? The looks of things. I don't know if we can get some settings in. Settings, displays, orientation. Done. Apply. Keep changes. nicer, much nicer. Terminal is here. The GNOME terminal, sudo pacman -SYYU. You're in control. This is pure Arch, and you've got a working system. All right, cheers.